To download and install Microsoft 365 application on your Windows 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're using Windows 11 or Windows 10, it works for same for all the operating system. So to install your Microsoft 365 application on your device, what you can do is simply head over to any of your browser and search in for Office 365 login. And once you're inside that particular website of the Microsoft account, official Microsoft site, once you arrive here, what you can do is make sure you are successfully logged in. And once you arrive here, make sure you have signed in with your successfully signed in with your organization or educational Gmail account. And once you do that, what you can do is simply come to your home page, and once you're inside your home page, you will see the option called install and more. And from over here, you will also see the option called installed Microsoft 365, and simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to this particular page where you can see install Office like this. And once you click on it, it will just automatically download your Office application for the device. And if you are using 64-bit version, make sure you have turned it on, and also make sure you have selected the right language accordingly. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.